Imagine linking two seemingly different worlds, the ancient world of gold and the futuristic world of cryptocurrency. It might sound strange, but there is a fascinating connection between these assets that few people notice. Gold has been a timeless store of value for millennia, while XRP is a modern, lightning-fast digital token. You might be thinking, or is gold and crypto? Really? Stick with me. By the end of this video, you'll understand why these two are often spoken of together. This video will be packed with insights and no pointless meandering. And yes, I've got exclusive trading bonuses for you, but you'll only find out how to claim them if you watch the whole video. Let's dive in. Gold, a timeless store of value. Gold needs no introduction as an investment. For thousands of years, it's been the ultimate safe haven and inflation hedge. Investors trust gold to hold value even when currencies falter. For example, during the 2020 market collapse, gold jumped about 25% as people fled volatile markets. Again in 2025, with inflation spiking, gold held steady around $2,431 per ounce. These moves show gold's reliability. It doesn't grow wildly overnight, but it rarely crashes either. What makes gold so trusted? Its scarcity and physical nature. Unlike paper money, gold can't be printed at will, so governments treasure it. In fact, global central banks bought a record 400 metric tons of gold in 2024. This massive buying spurred gold prices and reaffirmed its role as a global reserve asset. Economists note that gold typically returns a few percent per year on average, but jumps sharply in crisis times. Put simply, gold's identity is stability. People often joke that gold is what you hold when you know, and crypto is what you hold when you hope. That old saying nails it. Gold is concrete wealth stored in vaults that people expect to hold value across the ages. It underpins confidence in currency. Even today, when investors say buy gold, they mean loading up on something steady. In effect, gold's role in a portfolio is foundational. If other markets tank, gold is supposed to limp along. Now let's talk about XRP, the digital cross-border token. Now contrast that with XRP. This digital newcomer was created by Ripple Labs in 2012 to revolutionize money transfers. From the start, XRP was engineered to solve real-world problems. It settles transactions in about 3 to 4 seconds at a cost of just a few cents. This makes it ideal for sending money overseas quickly and cheaply. Since its launch, XRP's usage and price have seen explosive growth. Between 2015 and 2025, it rose 13,000% as more banks and fintech firms took notice. Ripple has partnered with giants like Santander, MoneyGram, and SBI to test cross-border payments on XRP's ledger. These aren't small pilots. They show the technology's potential. Each big partnership and news story adds more demand, fueling the price upward. XRP's technical design also sets it apart. All 100 billion XRP tokens were created at launch, with the majority locked in escrow and released slowly. This controlled supply adds scarcity to XRP's narrative. By late 2025, roughly 46 billion XRP were circulating, meaning a lot is still locked. In effect, XRP has a built-in scarcity model, which can support its value if demand grows. Another big difference, XRP's consensus algorithm is energy efficient. It doesn't require power-hungry mining like Bitcoin, which appeals to companies concerned about environmental impact. Finally, think about how XRP behaves in markets. Unlike gold's slow and steady pattern, XRP can spike on crypto market euphoria. If big institutions or positive news hit the wires, XRP might surge 10 to 20% in a day. That's why analysts note XRP's price is driven more by technology adoption and regulatory news than by traditional economic factors. In fact, XRP often rallies during crypto bull runs, whereas gold's rises are tied to broader market fear. So even though they both can go up, XRP's ride is much wilder. How are gold and XRP alike, and how are they different? At first glance, gold and XRP seem poles apart. One is heavy and physical, the other is digital and abstract. Yet experts find them complementary in today's financial system. As one analysis put it, XRP and gold serve as contrasting yet complementary pillars of value. What does that mean? It suggests that while gold and XRP aren't the same, they can balance each other in a portfolio. Consider stability versus innovation. Gold is known for stability and slow, predictable gains. XRP is known for rapid innovation and price swings. Store of value versus transfer utility. Gold's primary role is preserving wealth. XRP's primary role is moving value quickly across borders. Safe haven versus growth asset. Gold is the go-to in crises. XRP, while volatile, also saw a 40% surge in 2025, showing investors add crypto even during shaky times. Scarcity versus controlled supply. Gold is inherently scarce. XRP has a fixed max supply locked by escrow. Both mechanics create rarity which underpins value. Digital evolution. Gold is being tokenized and XRP is inherently digital. Analysts note that as gold gets tokenized, XRP could act as a bridge between traditional gold markets and digital finance. Global trading. Both gold and XRP are traded worldwide. Gold trades on global commodity markets and via ETFs, and XRP is listed on major crypto exchanges. This means you can buy and sell both assets on international platforms. Despite their differences, both assets attract demand in uncertain times. Gold for its reliability and XRP for its chance at big gains. Together they cover more ground, gold for safety, XRP for opportunity. The XRP and gold rumor, myth, or reality. Now let's address a wild conspiracy theory. Some people claim XRP is literally backed by U.S. gold reserves. This rumor exploded on social media with charts and wallet name theories. It sounds like sci-fi, but what's the truth? Credible sources have debunked these claims. As one crypto news report puts it, there was speculation around a potential connection between XRP and the gold reserves at Fort Knox. But crucially, there is no verified evidence to support it. Those wallet name coincidences have mundane explanations, and Ripple itself hasn't confirmed any gold backing. In other words, this Fort Knox story is unfounded. Bottom line, treat that theory as crypto folklore. It's entertaining to discuss, but don't let it drive your decisions. The real connection between gold and XRP is not about secret backing, but about how they both fit into the evolving financial landscape. Their complementary roles in modern finance. Instead of myths, let's focus on reality. Both gold and XRP are finding roles in the new economy that complement each other. Analysts often highlight this synergy. For example, one report calls gold and XRP contrasting yet complementary pillars of value. This means gold and XRP, though different, can work hand in hand. Consider digitization trends. Some central banks are even tokenizing their gold holdings. If governments turn gold into blockchain tokens, guess what? XRP's network is ready to move that value instantly across borders. In essence, gold's enduring worth meets XRP's speed. When financial institutions explored blockchain, they saw XRP as a bridge. It can swap between different currencies or tokens in seconds. So in a world where gold is tokenized, XRP could easily handle the settlements. For investors, this opens new strategies. One analysis suggests that combining both assets could redefine the future of finance by leveraging their distinct strengths. A balanced approach is to hold gold for stability and XRP for growth. That way, you hedge inflation with gold while capturing crypto upside with XRP. It's exactly what experts call integrating both assets for a diversified portfolio. In short, understanding both pieces of the puzzle lets you adapt to multiple market shifts. Trading gold and XRP together on one platform, BTCC. So how do you actually take advantage of this gold XRP synergy? The practical answer is to pick a platform that supports both. Enter BTCC, a trading exchange where you can trade both crypto and gold in one place. BTCC was founded in 2011 and has become one of the top crypto derivatives exchanges. On BTCC, you can trade over 300 cryptocurrency pairs and even traditional markets. In fact, BTCC's site explicitly says markets other than cryptos, such as gold and stocks, are also available on the platform. What does this mean? You can open a futures position on XRP/USDT and simultaneously hold a gold futures position, all within the same account. This one-stop shop model is a huge advantage. Instead of managing separate accounts or converting currencies, you do everything on BTCC. For example, say you think XRP will rally, but also want a stable gold hedge. With BTCC, you don't have to move funds around. You just trade both. In short, BTCC bridges crypto and traditional finance seamlessly. If gold and XRP are like teammates, BTCC is the arena where they play. You get the convenience of instant diversification. Crypto traders can reach into commodities, and vice versa, without switching platforms. Exclusive BTCC offers just for you. Now for the cherry on top, BTCC has some juicy promotions, and I've secured 3 key offers for our viewers. Here they are. Trading volume rewards. BTCC's welcome program lets you earn bonus coupons and trading funds by reaching volume milestones. For example, after signing up, trading a certain volume unlocks extra USDT coupons. As you hit those targets, BTCC pays you with coupons. Being Crypto reports new users can claim up to 10,055 USDT in combined coupons and bonuses by completing all tasks. 100 USDT registration coupon. Normally, new users get around 10 to 20 USDT in coupons after completing KYC. But through my referral link, you'll instantly receive a 100 USDT coupon upon signing up and verifying your account. That means extra trading capital in your first minutes. 10% deposit bonus. Deposit at least 500 USDT into your BTCC account, and BTCC will credit 10% of that deposit as bonus funds. For example, deposit 500 USDT and you'll get an extra 50 USDT to trade with. That's essentially free money to amplify your positions. These offers stack nicely. Sign up, grab the 100 USDT coupon, deposit to get the 10% bonus, then trade to unlock volume rewards. You could easily boost your trading power by hundreds of dollars just by claiming these deals. Remember, always read the fine print and trade responsibly. BTCC itself warns that crypto and leverage trading carry huge risks. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, but bonuses give you extra ammo. There you have it. Gold and XRP may seem unrelated, but in modern finance they complement each other. Gold brings age-old stability. XRP brings cutting-edge agility. Analysts literally call them contrasting yet complementary pillars of value. By knowing both, you cover more ground, hedging with gold and capturing innovation with XRP. Best of all, you don't have to choose. With BTCC, you can include both in your trading strategy at once. Trade gold futures and XRP futures side by side, all in one portfolio. And thanks to the special deals, you'll have extra firepower to start. If this video helped clarify things, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into crypto and finance. Use the link below to join BTCC and claim your bonuses. I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment. Do you think XRP is the digital gold of the future, or is physical gold still king? Let me know. Thanks for watching till the end. Stay curious, trade wisely, and I'll see you in the next video.